Hello friends, this is Gautam and thank you for joining Interview Point. So in this video, I am going to talk about what is MVC. Okay, so now let's get started. So this is my first video tutorial on MVC. Okay, so introduction. So ASP.NET MVC is basically a web development framework from Microsoft Technology which combines the features of MVC is nothing but model view controller architecture, the most up-to-date ideas and techniques from agile development and the best parts of the existing ASP.NET platform. Okay, so it is also called as architectural design patterns. So ASP.NET MVC is an open source framework from Microsoft. Actually, this is the first open source framework from the Microsoft technologies. Okay, so the MVC pattern was introduced in 1970s by Trevi Rensku as part of the Smalltalk. Okay, so what is the design pattern? Okay, so the term design pattern. So the term design pattern means design patterns are the solutions to software design problems you find again and again in real world application development. A design pattern is a general reusable solution to a commonly occurring problem within a given context in software design. So here I am going to talk about some MVC framework uses in the some technologies. So now Cake PHP and Code Igniter is the PHP framework. Okay, so PHP MVC framework. Structs and Spring is Java MVC. Okay, and from the Microsoft ASP.NET MVC is the .NET framework. Okay, so what is MVC? MVC is nothing but it is stand for Model, View and Controller. So MVC separates application into three components: model, view and controller. So now understand what is model, what is view and what is controller. So model is nothing but a model represents sets of the data and business logic. So why we are using model? Model is nothing but we are just adding a class in this model folder. There are some folder structures. I will uh, tell you all the things one by one. So first you need to understand what is model. So model is represents shape of the data and business logic. So the all the business logic we are going to write in the model class. Okay, so it maintains the data of the application. Model objects retrieved and stored model state in a database. So model is a data and business logic. So is nothing but we are going to use as a writing our business logic. Okay. So what is view? View is nothing but just we can say it is a user interface or UI. So view is a user interface. View display data using model to the user and also enables them to modify the data. Okay. So it is used to display the data, fetching the data from the database by using the controller and model. So what is model and what is view and what is controller? So view is a user interface. Okay, so now come to the next point is controller. So controller handles the user request. Typically user interacts with view. So what is the main point here? Suppose if we are going to interact with any application, so what we are going to show you? Just view is nothing but UI we are showing to the user, but not the business logic. So controller handles the user request. Typically user interact with view in which in turn raises appropriate URL request. This request will be handled by a controller. The controller renders the appropriate view with the model data as a response. So we can say in a single line, controller is a request handler. So friends, this is the small overview about the MVC. In the next video, I will tell you all the things So first, in the next video, I will tell you how to create first ASP.NET application. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Interview Points. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Here you will get all the latest interview questions and all the new videos. Okay. So thank you guys and all the best.